Have you ever wanted to manifest your desires into reality? With Joseph Murphy's Law of Attraction visualization technique, you can do just that in just 3 days. This powerful technique is based on the principles of manifestation and the law of attraction, which states that we attract what we think about. By utilizing visualizations and affirmations, this technique can help you focus your thoughts on what you desire and bring it into your life with ease. Before we proceed, I'd like to get your opinion on something. Do you ever feel like all your efforts are in? Do you feel overwhelmed and helpless to make your dreams come true? If you've tried different methods to manifest your goals, yet nothing seems to work for you, remember, you are not the only one in this situation. If you are looking to manifest your desired results, Joseph Murphy's Law of Attraction visualization technique is a trusted option that can help you get there. In just 3 days, this technique can help you manifest your desires and change your life for the better. And the best part, it's easy to do and doesn't require any special skills or tools. All you need is your imagination and a little bit of faith. Are you all set to understand this influential skill and start calling your dreams into reality? Fabulous! Let's get started. Step 1. Set your intention. The first step in using Joseph Murphy's Law of Attraction visualization technique is to set your intention. As a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams, Joseph Murphy's Law of Attraction visualization technique can help you create the life you desire. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest the life you desire. Joseph Murphy's Law of Attraction visualization technique has proven to be an effective way to focus your energy on what you want to achieve. By visualizing your dreams, you can create a clear vision of what life could be and take the necessary steps to make it happen. With this visualization technique, anyone can begin their journey towards success and realize their wildest dreams. The first essential step in using this technique is to set your intention. Setting an intention is the foundation of any successful task. When it comes to using techniques, having a clear intention will help you get the most out of this powerful tool. It's important to set a goal for what you want your written content to accomplish. This way, you'll be able to make the most of their wishes come true by setting an intention. You are effectively telling the universe what you want and setting yourself up to receive it. With clarity of purpose and direction, visualization becomes a powerful tool to help you bring your intentions into reality. This means that you need to be clear about what you want to manifest. It could be anything from a new job to a romantic relationship to financial abundance. Whatever it is, be specific and write it down on a piece of paper. Important line. Remember, the more specific you are about your desire, the easier it will be for the universe to bring it to you. Step 2. Visualize your desire. The second step is to visualize your desire as if it has already manifested. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for manifesting our desires and creating a life that we want. When we visualize our desired outcome as if it has already happened, it helps to build strong belief and increase the chances of achieving that desire. The ability to visualize our desires can help us stay motivated and focused on what we want to achieve in life. This increases the probabilities of our success. This means that you need to use your imagination to create a mental image of yourself already having what you desire. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and desires. By creating a vivid mental image of yourself already having what you desire, you can begin to attract the things that you want into your life. With practice, visualization can help you manifest your goals and bring joy and abundance into your life as possible, taking one step at a time. You can do this by closing your eyes and imagining yourself in a situation where your desire has already come true. For example, By closing your eyes and picturing yourself in a situation where you have achieved your goal, believing that something is achievable can be the first step towards successfully obtaining it. This technique has been used by successful people for centuries, from athletes to entrepreneurs, as it helps to bring clarity and focus to the desired ends in result. With regular practice, visualization can be an incredibly effective way of achieving what you set out to do in life. Important line. The key to this step is to make your visualization as vivid and detailed as possible. The more real it feels, the more likely it is to manifest. Step 3. Feel the emotion. The third step is to feel the emotion that comes with having your desire. Having a desire is the first step to manifesting your dreams, but it is not enough. The second step is to take action towards achieving that desire, while the third step is to feel the emotion that comes with having your desire. This emotion can be anything from joy and excitement to determination and focus. By feeling this emotion, you are sending a powerful message out into the universe that you are serious about achieving your goals. Every goal we set in life requires dedication, commitment, and hard work in order to achieve. But how often do we actually make sure these goals are attained? It is easy to become complacent and lose sight of the end game. This is why it is important to send a powerful message out into the universe that you are serious about achieving your goals. By doing so, you will find yourself motivated and inspired to take action. This means that you need to tap into the feelings of joy, gratitude, and excitement that come with having what you desire. Feel these emotions as if you already have what you want. Important line. Remember, the universe responds to your emotions, so the more positive emotions you feel, the more likely it is that your desire will manifest. Step 4. Repeat the process. The fourth and final step is to repeat this process every day for 3 days. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes each day visualizing your desire and feeling the emotions that come with having it. The more you do this, the more powerful your manifestation will be. It involves focusing your attention on a particular object or goal and feeling the emotions that come with achieving it. The fourth and final step of visualization is to repeat this process daily for 3 days, taking at least 10-15 minutes each day to really focus and feel the emotion of having achieved your desire. Constant repetition of your vision will make it part of your mindset and cultivate a positive environment that can help you achieve your goals. Important line. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice this technique, the more likely it is that your desire will manifest. And there you have it, Joseph Murphy's Law of Attraction Visualization Technique. By following these 4 simple steps, you can manifest your desires in just 3 days. Remember to set your intention. Visualize your desire, feel the emotion, and repeat the process every day for 3 days. If you enjoyed the information in this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your peers. Be sure to also subscribe to my channel for more content related to the law of attraction and manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.